I'm Mandy. This is Mental Health and Makeup with Mandy, and today we're gonna do a little Valentine-y look with the most Valentine-y of Jeffree Star's palettes, which was not in his Valentine's-y box. Really, Jeffree? Really? Anyway. Let's do this Valentine's eye look. I still don't know what I really want to do, but I really want to stay in the Star, the latest pink. I like starting with light colors, for sure. It's my comfort zone. Oh, you know what? Since this is the pink religion, we should be with the pink religion mirror. Oh, mirror, you are dirt, girl. This mirror looks like it's been through some things. So I got it cleaned up. Probably not enough, but it is cleaned up a little bit. By the way, I'm in my stupid work outfit because it's my life. Gotta go to work every day. I thought I was recording that, but I wasn't. So we're gonna make one of these over here. Okay, let me just go through it again. So we're gonna hearts. What else should we do? I do want to put a lash down to it, just so that I can see. Nope, you're still gonna be able to see the heart, so that's good. Okay, sweet. So, I feel like we need more color. So, we're going to take Sugar Savior right here. And we're going to put that in the crease. The shade Pink Religion because it leans more purple. So we're going to go into Lollipop Luxury, which is right here. Her. Sheesh, this is hard. Now we're going to go into Lollipop, what was it? Luxury. And we're putting that underneath. Okay, now we're going to use this glitter liner to line the inside of our little heart. You really can't see that in the camera. I love this particular Moira liner. It is, what is this color called? It's number 5, Pink Aurora. and it's just beautiful, and I use it so much. I did not know that I needed a pale pink glitter liner, but I definitely did. I needed it all this time, didn't know. Okay, and that's all we're gonna do out of the Pink Religion. Let's do a combo. This one's called Fantasy. Nope. But that's like a peach more than a pink, I think. We're gonna go in with the pinky one called Glam. Yep, that's much better. It actually matches pretty well with the glitter liner that we used for the heart. I just love that I'm buying things, I feel like, smarter. I'm buying things that enhance what I already have. I feel like with just my Jeffree Star palettes and duochromes and glitters and special shades, I feel like I wouldn't need to buy any palettes or eyeshadow for a very long time. And there we are. That's our Valentine's look. I was doing something more modern. I think I achieved that. We're gonna use the, is this one the Cherry Wet? Yes, Cherry Wet lip pencil. All of Jeffree Star's lip products are safe for eye use. Okay, we're gonna do some more makeup and be back. So, I just put on some Dior concealer underneath my eyes, and then the mailman came, and I have the new KVd Good Apple Full Coverage Serum Foundation. I'm so excited. Okay, it looks a little light. I fear I may have gone too light. We may have to mix some liquid bronzer in with this shade. I do like the glass bottle, the pump style. I really like. You get a lot more of your product that way. I think it's really, really nice. This foundation is $42. So to me, that's Lancome prices, but that's okay. Now, I don't, oh, oh, oh no, look what we've done. I am gonna be really, really pale. Okay, I'm gonna need some immediate bronzing because I look dead. So, I mean, even though that's super, super light, it still matches my skin. God, I'm transparent. This is definitely my winter foundation. Well, listen. We'll just extra bronze, and for the summer, we're gonna have to add some drops, but using my brush to apply this serum, didn't have to use hardly any, it was just a pump. Let's see if we're ever gonna recover from how pale that makes me. This is the Item Beauty bronzer. I love Item Beauty. Very sad to know that they've been taken out of Sephora. That's upsetting to me because I really love the brand. I don't know hardly anything at all about Addison Rae except for that she was a TikTok person. But like, yeah, with the right amount of bronzing, this is an acceptable color, I think. I definitely think I'm gonna get some, I have some Tarte bronzing drops, I think, somewhere. If I didn't get rid of them, I hope I didn't get rid of them. I like the subtleness of this bronzer. It's like, it's not too much. And I forget if I got this in Ipsy or if I got this off of Sephora. So I like the other Good Apple, and I'll have to say I like this one as well, especially with some bronzing drops added. I'm definitely gonna need a lot of that. We're gonna use our Patrick Ta face palette. Yeah, I think we're gonna go just into the powder blush. So I will say that this blush is more buildable than pigmented, but it's still gorgeous. I love it. It's got a little shine in it today because I used this brush over top of the highlighter. The highlighter is also absolutely gorgeous. Subtle, but gorgeous. And this is our final look with Pink Religion. Pink Religion. Yikes. And where did I put it? And the brand new KVd Good Apple. So far, we love it. This has been my use of it with a brush. We're gonna get a sponge's perspective and see how that goes. And yeah, what do we think? Oh, I did end up outlining the hearts again just a little bit with the Cherry Wet so that the hearts stood out a little bit more after the lashes were put on. So, what do you think? Is it pretty? Okay, well, I gotta go. I gotta get to work. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.